How to break chain using the WCP chain breaker. First, place the chain with the link you want to break under the pin screw. Secure the chain in place by tightening the cup screw. Now tighten the pin screw until it reaches the hard stop. Then loosen both top screws to release the chain and separate it by pulling it apart. Repeat this process to get the chain length desired. To connect the chain, force both ends together. Place the chain with the loose pin under the cup screw and lightly tighten the pin screw to secure the chain in place. Tighten the cup screw until it reaches the hard stop. Then loosen both top screws to release the chain. Individual breakers and spare pin sets are available to order separately. All breakers feature a hole to attach a lanyard, perfect to keep track of your tool in the hectic pit environment. Order today at WCProducts.com.